Hi there, this is Sanjay and I welcome you all to this unique English learning class. In today's class, we are going to learn 5 new special words that will make your communication more effective and impulsive. So let's begin. So the first word we have is encounter, and the meaning of encounter is to come across or to meet somebody or something unexpectedly. Let's have one example. While hiking in the forest, we come across a big lion. The next word we have is feasible, and the meaning of feasible is possible to do or achieve. Let's have the example. It is feasible for anybody to prepare for TOEFL and get 100 marks. The next word we have is articulate, and the meaning of articulate is to communicate or express any idea effectively, and the example is the speaker was able to articulate his points effectively in front of the audience. The next word we have is stimulate. The meaning of stimulate is to activate, to charge something or somebody. The teacher used interesting games to stimulate the interest and needs for the students. And the last word we have is convey, and the meaning of convey is to communicate or express something to somebody in a clear manner. And the example is the teacher conveyed the message to the parents effectively. She said everything in detail, so like she conveyed the message. Alright, so these are the 5 words, and I hope you can use these words in your writing and speaking to make your communication more effective and impulsive. And I'll see you in the next video, and if you know more usage for these words, you can write down in the comment below. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll be very happy to receive comments from your side. Thank you.